Hi, everyone. Welcome to day 13 of 25 Days of Essentialism. This is Jeff with Pi of Genius, and we're on chapter 11. The title is Dare, and this is a very powerful chapter because it's talking about the power of saying no. And, if you've already established you've clarified what is essential for you and what you need to do and where you need to be focusing your time, it's so important to learn to be able to say no to the things that don't fit into that bucket of what you're trying to accomplish. And one of the ways that he didn't mention this in this book, but one of the ways I figured to do this is that often when we say no, we feel bad for saying no to somebody, right? And we feel good for saying yes. And so here's the deal. No matter if you're saying no or you're saying yes, you're actually always saying yes. And here's why. It's a mindset trick. So you imagine that you're saying yes to all of those things that are essential for you, or the people that are essential for you, or the activities. And so when you say no to this, what you're really saying is yes to all of those. So it's kind of like you're saying no to this person, but standing behind them are all of those yeses that you've already said yes to and that are really in line with what's essential. So that's one little trick to do that. And he has some great examples in here on the book on how you can say no gracefully, where it's not just saying no. What I want to leave you with is this idea that clarity is essential. Clarity makes it simple on knowing what to say yes to and what to say no to. I want to come back to this. If you don't have clarity on what really is essential, what you're about, your vision, your mission, your purpose, you will have no idea what to say yes and no to. And when you say no, you'll feel bad. So what is your highest contribution? Those are the things to be saying yes to. Everything else is a no or a later or a some other time. So, all right, guys, have a great day. I will see you tomorrow. Talk to you later.